guys, welcome back to the channel and happy Valentine's Day. I am coming to you today to just show you how I have sprinkled bits and pieces of Valentine's decor throughout different spaces of my home, starting here with my family room and the mantle. I will also stop you by my coffee bar, and then I will take you into my dining room and show you how I've created a tablescape for two couples to have dinner in such an elegant way. Nothing real fancy, just a little elegant. So if you're interested in that, why don't you just stick around and see what I've come up with. All right, guys, welcome to the channel. Grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back and relax and enjoy in the comfort of your home or wherever you may be watching this video, and just enjoy. I'm gonna leave you to music and let you see what I've created. Thanks a bunch.
Every second I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset-colored skies. Chilling by the ocean, driving up the mountain, soaked in the endless beauty all of you. You know it feels alright, alright. Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way? I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you. Nights in California, fly passing homes, yeah, right by sunset-colored skies.
like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you're in my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into.
So guys, once again, I have chosen to use a pool noodle to get this masterpiece over the fireplace. This is absolutely beautiful. I went in with the pool noodle, added in those roses and the hydrangeas, added in some frosted greenery, my candle holders, some vintage frames, the heart-shaped plate, and those small candles to achieve that look above. Now here you see this beautiful arrangement that I made using this black vase, added in the floor pieces, greenery. Next to it, I added the green lanterns that are lighted, more ambiance, the gold ornate ball, and then on the other side I have the elephant with the arrangements that I've shared. If you missed that video, I will include it in the iCards above, but those heart shapes are the ones that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and then I added in those miniature foam rosebuds within that. And as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. And yes, I know I am missing the E for the love sign, but you get the concept of where I was going with this. So I made this piece, and yes, that is my tree still standing in the back. As many of you may recall, or maybe not if you're new, I have issues with my neck, and it flared up at the beginning of the year. And so I am waiting to see the orthopedic surgeon to see what has to be done or can be done, or if I'm even choosing to have anything done. So you guys keep me in prayer with this neck, but that tree is going to stand there. I've taken out all of the ornaments, but we're just not going to deal with removing the tree as of yet. All right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. Be blessed. Continue to enjoy. Until the next time, I'm your host, Gigi Faison.